Day 91 of doing a LeetCode problem every day until I get a job. All right, guys, we're back again. Another day, another LeetCode problem. This time we're at day 91, guys. We're really making some progress. We're really learning some things, and these daily LeetCode problems are really starting to compound into a broader audience. A broader knowledge, and we're starting to really understand what's going on here. Now, since we finished the LeetCode 75, I want to rewind a little bit and go back to the arrays, the easy arrays. We're going to start from scratch. We're going to start from the fundamentals so we could really build from a strong foundation. And an important part of a strong foundation is understanding the fundamentals, guys. So we're going to go back to the fundamentals, and we're going to start with doing some easy array problems. I'm thinking for maybe about a month or two, maybe a month of easy arrays and another month of easy strings. I'm trying to see what the learning curve is like, and how fast we could actually retain and understand this knowledge from the easy arrays to see how long I'm gonna do some array problems. But right now we're doing easy array problems. Get ready for that. We're gonna do at least 15 to 30 of these. It depends if we're gonna do 15 array and 15 strings. Who knows? We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. But right now we're doing the arrays. So get excited about that. And we're really about to learn the fundamentals, guys. But before we get started, don't forget, bring a mouse right over here and click that subscribe button for me, guys. Then after you click that subscribe button, go ahead and smash that like button for me, guys. Then after you smash that like button, I'm calling all of my bankers. I repeat, all of my bankers to the comment section right now. Go ahead and drop 2 bank emojis in the comment section so we can run up this engagement and we can get this content out to a broader audience and help grow the Swift community, guys. We're trying to get more people interested in the Swift programming language, and we're just doing our part, guys. Now, I know why you're here, and today we have question number 1920, build array from permutation. The difficulty level is easy, so you already know we're going to keep the solution as simple and easy to understand as well, guys, because there's no point in writing code that nobody understands, and we're all learning here, so we have to make it work for people on all levels of their coding journey. Now, before we get to writing the code and understanding the code, first thing we have to do is understand the question, guys. And this question took me a while to understand, but I finally got it. And once you get it too, it's not that difficult at all. So let's see what it says. It says, given the zero-based permutation nums, zero index, build an array ands of the same length where ands I equals nums of nums I for each zero is less than or equal to I, and I is less than num's length, and return it. A zero-based permutation nums is an array of distinct integers from 0 to nums dot length minus 1 inclusive. So let's break that down and see what it's talking about. So we have an input nums. It's an array of integers 0, 2, 1, 5, 3, and 4. The output is an array of integers 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, and 3, right? The explanation, the array ands is built as follows. Ands, nums of nums 0, nums of nums 1, nums of nums 2, nums of nums 3, nums of nums 4, nums of nums 5, equals nums 0, nums 2, nums 1, nums 5, nums 3, nums 4, which equals 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, and 3. So if you guys are anything like I was, y'all are asking yourselves, how in the world did they get this output from this input? Well, guess what, guys? I'm about to show you, and it's not that difficult at all. So let's start right here, right? So nums of nums 0, right? Let's put that up here so everybody can see, right? So first we have nums of nums 0, right? So what that is just going to equal is, hold on, this should be inside an array too. This should be. So what that is just going to equal, that's the same thing as saying nums 0. Why? Why is this the same? Because nums of nums 0, right? So this right here equals 0. This nums inside of the nums, this equals 0. Why does it equal 0? Because nums 0, so we go to index 0. Index 0 is a 0. So we put nums 0, and that's going to equal, the output is going to be 0. Boom, right? So let's come down here. Now we're at nums of nums 1, right? So boom. We're going to put that right here. Boom. And so right here, nums of nums 1. So look, this right here, nums 1, what's nums 1 equal? 0. Nums 1 is 2. Boom. So that is going to equal nums 2. And what is, excuse me, it should be S right here. And what does nums 2 equal? Nums 2 equals, so we go 0, 1, 2. Nums 2 equals 1. Then we're going to come down here. So now we're at nums of nums 2. Boom. So we're going to do that like that. Put this right here. Boom. Nums of nums 2. So nums of nums 2, let's see. See what that equal. What does this equal right here? This nums right here. This nums equals, so nums of nums 2 equals, let's see, nums 2 equals 0, 1, 2, 1. So that's going to equal nums 1, right? And what does nums 1 equal? Nums 1 equals, so let's see, it goes 0, 1. Nums 1 equals 2. So boom, equals 2. Then we come down here, where we at, nums 3. Now we're at nums 3. Boom. Let's do the same thing for nums 3. So we're gonna fix that like that. So what is what's this equal, right? Nums 3 equals 0, 1, 2, 3. Nums 3 equals nums 5. Why does it equal 5? Because there's a 5 at the third index for nums 3. And what does nums 5 equal though? Nums 5 equals 0, 1, 2, 3. Hold on. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's going to be a 4. Nums 5 equals 4. Boom. Then we're going to do the same thing for nums of nums 4. So bring that over here. Nums of nums 4. Boom. Boom, boom. So nums of nums 4. First, we're going to check to see what this equals. Nums 4 equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, right? So nums 4, so that's going to be equal to nums 3. And what does nums 3 equal? Hold on. Nums 3 equals 0, 1, 2, 3 equals 5. So we're going to put a 5 right here. Then we're going to come down here. Nums 5, that's the last one. So boom, let's see. Let's get that over here so we can make it make sense. Boom. Nums 5 is going to equal, let's see. Nums 5, let's see what nums 5 equal. So nums 5, it goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. Nums 5 equals nums, it's basically saying the same thing as nums 4. And nums 4 equals, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4 equals, hold on, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't forget the 0, 3. And this right here, these numbers right here should be the same as our output. So let's see, our output is 0. So we put a 0. Hold on, y'all. Sorry, guys. Sorry. So that's our output. Output is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. These numbers match up to these numbers. Yes, they do. So, oh, excuse me, not 1, 2, 3. Excuse me, guys. Now they do. These numbers, this is the output. This is the output we got, and that's how we got it. So num 0 is basically the same thing as num 0, right? Nums 1, same thing as nums 2, because 2 is in the index and 1, and so on. And that's the logic behind it. Now, let's look at example 2. We're going to go through this a little faster because hopefully that first one makes sense. But let's go through example 2 just in case that first one did not make sense, right? So, first thing we have the arrays ands. So we have the input nums 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The output is 4, 5, 0, 1, 2, and 3. The array ands is built as follows, right? So let's start from the beginning. First we have this num 0, boom, or nums of num 0. Nums of num 0 is equal to nums 5. Why? Because there's a 5 in num 0, right? And nums 5, but what's nums 5 equal to? Nums 5 equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to put a 4 right here, right? Boom. Now we're at nums of nums 1, right? We're just going up the index. So now we're nums of nums 1. Boom. So we're going to come over here. Nums of nums 1 is equal to, so what's at the index of 1? 0. Nums of nums 1 is equal to nums 0. So what's at num 0? Num 0 is a 5. So we're going to put the 5 right here. Then we're going to do the same thing for index 2, or nums of nums 2, excuse me. Boom. Come right here. Come right here. Boom. So we're going to do the same thing. Equals. So nums of nums. So first we're checking nums 2. Nums 2 is 0, 1, 2. So nums 2 is 1. So we're going to put nums 1. And then we're going to see what's nums 1. Nums 1 is 0. So we'll come over here. We'll say equals 0. Then we're going to come down here. Now we add nums of nums 3. Boom. Copy that. We're going to put that over here. Boom. 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 We're going to say that is equal to nums. Oh, num. Let's see what it's equal to first. So nums and nums 3. Nums 3 is 0, 1, 2, 3. So we're going to put that's equal to nums 2, right? Then we're going to say, so what is nums 2 equal to? Nums 2 is equal to 0, 1, 2. So nums 2 is equal to 1. Then we're going to do the same thing for nums 4. See what nums 4, boom. Nums 4, boom. Excuse me, guys. So what's nums 4 equal to? Nums 4 is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Nums. So that's equal to nums 3, because there's the value of 3 right there. So we're going to say nums 3. And then, so what's nums 3 equal to? Nums 3 is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. So we're going to put a 2. Nums 3 is equal to, nums 3 is equal to 2. And then last one, nums 5. We're almost there, guys. Stay with me. Stay with me. We're at nums 5. Really trying to make sure everybody understands this. So we had nums 5. Boom. Nums 5 is equal to, so let's see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is equal to nums 4, because there's a 4 at index 5. So we're going to say nums 4. Boom. Then we're going to come over here, say, what is nums 4 equal to? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. So once again, this should be the same as our output, right? And our output is 4, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3. Is that the same thing? Yes, it is. So that's what they're asking. That's how the question works, guys. I hope I made sense. Now that it makes sense, hopefully, let's get into the code. And trust me, the code is way easier to understand than the question. So the first thing we are going to do, we're going to declare a variable called array. We are going to set that equal to an array of integers. Go ahead and initialize it with the parentheses. Then we're going to come down here and we're going to say for, open up the parentheses, index, comma, value. Then we're going to say n, come outside the parentheses, say n nums dot enumerated. And remember, the enumeration gets you the value and the index. So, dot enumerated. And then we're going to put the parentheses right there, open up the brackets. We're just going to say array. Oh, man. We're just going to say array dot append. And we are going to append nums. Oh, my goodness. Nums. Then open up the array brackets. Then open up the array brackets again and just say index. So this is our nums of nums index. Then we're just going to come down here and we're going to say return array, guys. And it was that simple. It was really that simple. We just had to append the nums of nums index, guys. So let's run it and see how it runs. Fingers crossed. Hopefully there's no bugs. And it's accepted, guys. Just the way I like it. So let's submit it. Let's submit it. See if it's still going. And there it is, guys. 50 milliseconds beats 55.21% of users with Swift, guys. It's not too bad. Not too bad at all. Hope you guys learned something. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another day, another LeetCode problem. Peace.